As Kenya unveils the Finance Bill 2025, citizens, businesses, and investors are closely examining the wide-ranging tax proposals set to reshape the country's economic landscape. The bill, which seeks to increase government revenue and reduce the fiscal deficit, introduces a mix of new levies, expanded tax bases, and adjusted compliance thresholds, affecting everything from the price of bread to the cost of smartphones and vehicle ownership. In this video series, we will break down the key highlights of the Finance Bill 2025. What items are set for tax hikes? Which sectors will feel the pressure? And how the changes align with broader fiscal and social goals. Whether you're a taxpayer, entrepreneur, or policy enthusiast, understanding these proposals is essential as the bill moves through public debate and parliamentary scrutiny. Here are goods and services with increased taxes in the Kenyan Finance Bill 2025-1. Cooking oil and vegetable oils owed 25% excise duty is proposed on vegetable and seed oils, which could lead to an 80% increase in cooking oil prices. 2. Bread and margarine. The bill initially proposed a 16% VAT on bread, potentially increasing its price from 70 Kenyan shillings to 80 Kenyan shillings. However, this proposal was later withdrawn. Margarine prices could rise from 160 Kenyan shillings to 300 Kenyan shillings due to the excise duty on vegetable oils. 3. Plastic packaging materials. An eco-levy on plastic packaging materials is expected to increase packaging costs by up to 100%, affecting products like bar soap, which may rise from 170 Kenyan shillings to 270 Kenyan shillings. 4. Airtime and internet services excise duty on telephone and internet data services is proposed to increase from 15% to 20%, leading to higher costs for consumers. 5th. Motor vehicle ownership a motor vehicle tax of 2.5% of the vehicle's value is introduced, with a minimum of 5,000 Kenyan shillings and a maximum of 100,000 Kenyan shillings, payable during insurance cover issuance. 6. Alcoholic beverages excise duty on alcoholic beverages will now be calculated based on alcohol content rather than volume, potentially increasing prices for high alcohol content drinks like vodka and whiskey. 7. Smartphones and electronics an eco-levy is imposed on electronics such as smartphones, loudspeakers, earphones, monitors, projectors, ATMs, calculating machines, and cash registers, leading to higher prices for these items. 8. Imported table eggs, onions, and potatoes excise duty is imposed on imported table eggs, onions, and potatoes to protect local farmers, potentially increasing prices for these commodities. 9. Betting and gaming excise duty on betting stakes is increased from 12.5% to 20%, and a 15% tax on gross gaming revenue is introduced, along with a 1% monthly income levy. 10. Money transfer services excise duty on money. Transfer services is proposed to increase from 15% to 20%, affecting transactions through banks, M-Pesa, and other money transfer agencies.